Don't confuse being a data science professional with being employed as a data scientist. Those are two completely different things. I see way too many people who are basically wandering the desert waiting for a company to come along and anoint them as being a data scientist. You can be a data scientist. You can be in the business of you doing your own data science studies. There's nothing stopping you from doing that. The data is out there, the tools are out there. You can take your skills and start applying them to projects, to things that interest you, and then publish that work out. Put articles out there on your LinkedIn. From there, publish those links to the employers that you're applying to. Use those as writing samples and work. So you are a data science professional. You just got to get out there and do the work.